Hello everyone, I am Kapil Shah, Sales Manager from Beijing Greece High Tech Company Limited. Today I will tell you about Beijing Greece, its product, its solution, its business philosophy and etc. So first I start about a background of Beijing Greece businesses and philosophy. Beijing Greece is a joint venture of China and Japan, which are manufacturing various kind of polishing product, equipment and polishing solution for various kind of industry. Its headquarters located at the beautiful northern city of China, also the capital of China, Beijing. Beijing we have three manufacturing unit, various part of Beijing. The number one is polishing unit, where we produce all kind of abrasives such as lapping film, polishing film, pork pie, etc. and which contain of diamond abrasive, aluminium, silicon carbide, cerium oxide, etc. Another is our slurry and powder manufacturing unit, where we are producing the raw material for the coating of our lapping films, slurries, and also we are selling polishing powders. And the third manufacturing unit is for the machines. We are also providing polishers for fiber optics, camshaft, and also we are making customized polishing machines as per customer request. Whereas this is about our availability over the globe, we have one wholly owned subsidiary at Osaka, Japan, and various sales and marketing office across China. Beijing Greece always adhere to its business philosophy, that is pursue the physical and spiritual happiness of all employees, which contribute to the process of development of human society. Our MD, Mr. Katsuhiko, also known as Chinese name Mr. G, he believed in Kaiju Inamori's personal philosophy, known as Kyocera philosophy, which say pursue that which is right for humankind. So in this topic we will tell you about the polishing of fiber optical connector. As it well known that when the fiber optical cable terminated with a particular connector, the connector and phase preparation determine what will be the return loss while we are using that. The back reflection is the ratio between the light propagate through the connector in forward direction and the light reflect back into the light source by the connector surface. So it's become very important to minimize the back reflection in high speed and analog fiber optical links. Polishing is one of the key process to make fiber connector work perfectly. As much we reduce down the back reflection, it will work that perfectly. So for us, fiber optic polishing is as much a science as an art. In a certain extent, proper polishing of fiber optical connector is critical to optimize the result while we are using it. However, it also depends on your polishing machines and the techniques you are using. So, Beijing Grease helps their customer how they can achieve the maximum optimum yield by using their polishing consumables and can produce consistent result as well. So let's begin to introduce you about our product and our polishing solution. Okay, so let's start about this session. So as you can see on your screen right now, we will discuss on these topics. First, I will tell you about grease polishing solution for MTP and MTO connectors. Also, we will tell you about our final polishing film. Then we will move ahead to flat PC, APC, UPC type connector polishing solution provided by Grace. There is also one special announcement for all our listeners, and also we will tell you how you can get in touch with us. So let's begin with MTP MPO connector polishing solution. So about Girish MTP MPO polishing solution. So as you can see in the market, there are two kind of polishing process available right now. Some prefer for dry polishing and some prefer slurry polishing for MTP and MPO connector. And also this is a well-known fact, MTP MPO connector currently quite expensive, so customers are quite conscious while they are choosing their polishing solution for this segment. So let me tell you about Grease. Grease offering slurry polishing solution, and about the feature. After using our polishing solution, Grease committed that you can achieve zero scratch after final polishing, as well as our slurry is specially designed so that it can work as an efficient lubrication during the polishing process and keep facial surface clean. Whereas if we talk about dry polishing, because there is no any kind of lubrication available, so there is a chances of getting scratches compared to slurry. You can minimize the core dip while using our solution. And also people are thinking because it's some liquid, so your workstation will be dirty and it's hard to clean, but Chris know about it, and that's why while we develop our polishing solution for this segment, we focus on this point, so our offered slurry is quite easy to clean. Just use a wrap paper and just wrap your workplace, and it's quite easy to clean. So next move ahead and I will tell you what is our offering step by step you should follow to polish. So here we go. You can see on the screen we offer a 5-step process. First is the epoxy removal. We recommend use diamond 30 offered by us. Then for rough polishing, silicon carbide 16 μm. Also we have another polishing paper available, it's 15 micron. And for step 3, we recommend you use silicon carbide 3 μm. And at the final polishing, we recommend 2-step final polishing. One is with PUMD and aluminum oxide slurry, and the final step is PUMZ plus cerium oxide slurry. If you want to know more about this process, if you want to have a try with this process and you want to polish your MTP MPO connector, please go keep with us till the end, and we will tell you how you can contact and how you can book your free sample and try it today. So you can see step 1 polishing film is diamond 30 used for epoxy removal, and here again I want to add you, please follow while you are testing our polishing film suggested recommended RPM pressure to achieve the optimum life by this film, and for that you can contact us. Our team, our R&D team will help you to know more about it. Here you can see our silicon carbide 60 micron film, and this is our silicon carbide 3 μm polishing film. You also can see the surface after the polishing, and here is the final polishing step. PUMD, PUMZ pad, these used one by one with AO and CO slurry, and obviously this is quite critical step. I again suggest you get in touch with us to know more about it, how you can optimize the polishing yield. As we all know, final polishing is a quite determining step for the entire process. That's why we develop our own final polishing film. It's a result of years hard work of our R&D, our engineers, our dedicated team, and our customer who help us to arrange trial and adjust our formula during the development process. And today we are proudly saying that our polishing film, which can work better than any final polishing film available in the market right now, and compared to other polishing film, whereas you can get below to 80 or 70% yield, we are committing you can get more than 80%, and somewhere we get the good feedback that customer are getting more than 90% polishing yield by our this polishing film. We develop this polishing film in 3 types according to the applied pressure. So for more detail, you have to share us about your polisher, your current condition, what is your before step 1, step 2, step 3, so that we can recommend you the right product for testing and to optimize your result with our final polishing film. And also one thing I want to add here, this polishing film is cheaper than available polishing solution final polishing films right now in the market. And reason behind this is obviously because we are the core manufacturer, and right now final polishing film which available in the market, because you know the all the customer have this is hype that oh we want a good polishing result, so that is also kind of business strategy, they make it so costlier, but we are offering this with best quality on affordable price. So now as you can see on the screen, I will tell you about flat PC, UPC, APC connector. And I want to tell you, Grease provide a cost efficient, easy to adaptable polishing solution for these connectors. Why I am saying easy to adaptable? Because right now in the market, various kind of polishing machines, too many polishing machine maker available. So this is the best thing of our polishing solution, because we are already supplying 40 plus country our polishing solution for this particular segment, and we have right now more than 2000 customer which are quite happy with our polishing film, and we have a quite very good feedback from our customer. So let's go ahead and let me tell you about the polishing process. So here you can see the journal process suggestion by Girish. So Grease recommend you for epoxy and resin removal, you should use SC30 or D30. If you, it's about according to your budget. Yeah, because SC30 and D30 diamond 30 is quite expensive compared to SC30. So you have to figure out if you want to lower your budget during epoxy removal, you can use SC30, and if you have no any concern of budget, we will say please use D30 for best result. And then for rough polishing D9, then fine polishing D1, and as the final polishing we suggest, as I just explained you about our final polishing, we have 3 type of polishing film available which can be suggested as per your polishing machines polishing process. And we recommend use 80D hardness for step 1 to 3 and 70D hardness rubber pad for final polishing film. So now we have a big announcement for those customers who want to be our family, who want to do more business with us. So here we go. Yes, so Beijing is also looking for distributorships, dealership across the globe. So if you are interested to be our distributor, you can get in touch with us, and in next slide I will show you in further slide I will show you our contact details. So before sharing you our contact details, If you have these type of question as mentioned on the screen, you can contact with us for your query. Even you have any other inquiry, you can write with us, you directly call, you can make a call directly to us, write an email to us, you can follow for our daily updates, new development at our social handles. So our contact detail on the screen, please kindly note down. I request please feel free to let us know whatever your inquiry, relevant inquiry, and we are always open for discussion. We are quite happy to help you to optimize the result by using our polishing solution and to be our happy customer. So here I am signing off. Thank you very much, and I wish you stay safe, stay healthy.